Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of Glam mirrored coastal candle holders. And so what you'll need is you're going to need a couple of these Starfish Tealight holders from Dollar Tree. And I got mine in silver, but I think they have these in gold if you wanted to use a different color. You're going to need a couple of these glass Tealight holders. They do come in a pack of 2. You're going to need at least 2 of these round mirrors. And I think the best shape for this project are going to be the round mirrors. And you're going to need at least 2 of these silver napkin rings. Now, I think they come in a pack of 6 or 8. But you will need 2 of them if you're going to make them the same height. You'll need 3 of them if you're going to make them a graduated height pair. And I've got some diamond wrap here. This is from Michael's, but you can find this diamond wrap at Dollar Tree. And then I have some of the peel and stick gemstones. They are from Walmart, but they come on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using hot glue for this project, but if you would like to make this project permanent, please use E6000 or another permanent bond glue. These are the items that we'll need in order to get the project completed. So let's get started. Now, aren't these candle holders absolutely gorgeous, you guys? And they were so easy to make. They're perfect if you want to add a little bit of a glam touch to a coastal theme that you're doing for spring and summer. These will really fit in nicely. Now let's start playing around and decorating with them. Well, there you have it, guys. Another simple and beautiful Glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of DIYs, please be sure to share them with your friends. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.